questions? We're about to find out. Dagnabbit, I see the trade I actually wanted to take yesterday would have been so good. Oh well, it's okay. We move on. We are now new day. New day, new trades. Let's see what we get. Let's do a quick top to bottom analysis before I go any further though. How dare I nearly forget doing this.
Hi! 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 Good morning!
Ollie, did me and you think the same thing? I was like, why is it malfunctioning? What's up? Good morning, Zolly. How was the trading day yesterday? Did you get any bangers? And Neil and Old Lamb, what's up, guys? Okay. New daily opening. Probably just save this as a damn template at this point, but it's fine. Boop. I'll mark out the highs and lows. Let me just mark out midnight, quick sticks. Oh, midnight, where you at? There you are. Ew, basic. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Midnight and new daily opening are on the exact same spot. Well, close enough spot. Okay then. That doesn't happen often. Cool. Now we can do the points. So, we got Asia high right at the tippy top. Awesome sauce. Let's do this. Asia high. Okie dokie. Gonna call this one Asia low. Oop, nope. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm sorry. Having a mini meltdown over there. Okie dokie. Yesterday New York high was taken. New York low was not. I'm gonna just mark this out. And previous day low. Well, not so much previous day low, but okay, I'll just leave it unmarked. How about that? That works. That's done, that's done, that's done, that's done, that's done. Awesome sauce. Now we can quickly do a top to bottom analysis. How's everyone doing? And boom! Hi! Gonna sleep, so I thought I'd jump on. Well, welcome, old man. I scalped 20 points from my bed on my phone. Did you catch any trades in New York? Nah, not really, Solly. Like I said, there wasn't anything, and then basically as I left, this came up. Yeah. As I left, I saw this. Ugh, but I didn't take it. It was too late. But you can see this one would have worked. So it's fine. It's fine. We are back for a new day. We're gonna get this shindig sorted. I don't know why I'm saying shindig and sorted like I have any control over the market, but let's see. Now, top to bottom analysis. Let's do this thing, chicken wing. Yes, I'm being weird. I feel like you guys shouldn't be surprised by that though. So, daily. So yes, was just a retest and now going back up. At least we're retesting the imbalances now. That's something. I can ask my magic April, do it, do it, do it. What's up, Samuel? How we doing? How's it going? 4 hour. Okay. Little retest into the fair value gap and still pushing. Yeah, that's basically all there is to it. It's done the retest and it's still going. 1 hour. You should get a magic 8 ball. What and ask the magic 8 ball. I mean, I have something better. I have dice. I could always roll the dice. That was a retest that happened yesterday. I'm going back up. Cool. 15-minute. Here we go. Could potentially retest a tiny bit lower. Looking at this 15-minute chart. Let's see how it acts here. It could potentially drop back down one more time and then go back up. 5-minute. Okay. 1 minute. Just looks like it's kind of going sideways a little bit now. I mean, it's moved. Not like hectically, but it's moved during Asia, so that's something. What's up, Trade Addict? How are we doing? Is everyone good? It is cold and rainy here today, which is awesome. Tell me, how is the account growing? Kind of. It went up to 8, then it went back down to like 6, and I've gotten it back up to 853. Just have to get that push to get it above freaking 48. But we'll get there. Boom. What's with the I can also go, What's up, Boom? What you thinking? Okay, so we have 3 minutes. Oh, damn, I'm getting quicker at this. We have 3 minutes to go. Let's see what this brings us today. Dun, dun, dun. How was everyone's New York session yesterday? Who continued trading? How was it? Did you guys get some more wins in? What happened? New York was gorgeous, buys were sweet. Nice, Neil. Did you hop on basically after I left? I feel like that's exactly what happened, because it dropped down, then it started messing around, and basically when I left, it kind of pulled a little bit of a Maya effect. Looks like once I left, it actually started to move a little bit better. Oh well, it's fine. Put the opening short of the Dow yesterday. Ooh, nice, old Lim. That's really, really good. Well done, guys. Sure. Okay. I think that you deserve a little bit of a whoop whoop for the day. For everyone that had some green yesterday. Proud of you guys. Yeah, it was quite a long trade. Was in the position for over an hour. Wow. Okay, no, then that's a little bit intense. That's a little bit intense. Okay, nearly 3 a.m. open. Let's see what we get. It is a little bit colder here today because it has been raining. I won't say it's been storming, it's been raining. And now it's overcast. So, here we are. Saying screw it. We're gonna get this thing sorted. Boom, are you still there? It absolutely drives me crazy when you do things like, and then you don't respond. I hope you know that. I don't know if you do it on purpose, but it literally, you know when something just irritates your brain a little bit extra than it probably should? That is what that is doing to me right now. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Why were you going, What was the for? And if you're asking why it bugs my brain, I don't know, I'm weird. I feel like you know this. This is not new information. Oh, shush. Just shush. I gave you that ammunition, didn't I? No, it's fine. It's fine. Let's do this thing. So you've been in shorts since Asia High. I need to see those bull traps at the beginning of the New York station. So you are still just looking for shorts, is that basically the understanding? And that's why you're saying, because I was a little bit more keen on bulls. That makes sense. Sorry, I fogged up my glasses. I'm already in it since Asia High. Okay, but where's your TP at? Boom, what you saying holy about? $5.05. Damn, that was a little bit nasty of it to do that to you, but okay. We have a little bit of a imbalance over here. Okay, there's the 3 AM open. Let's watch what this does here. What's up, Louie? How are we doing? So I can sleep. Oh my gosh. But it said no. But you're still in it? Or did you trail? Have you trailed your stop loss? Or are you still in it? Well, it sounds like you're still in it. Right. So you haven't slept at all? Damn, Boom's about to get grouchy up in here. And it comes back up on me. Have you moved to break even at all, or are you just like leaving it where it's at? Louie, how you doing? How's the rest of New York?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
We're kicking names and taking us. Love it. What's up, Dom? How you doing? I'd be pissed. I'm gonna ban everyone who speaks in chat. That losses are for the scaredy cats. Respectfully disagree. You know what I mean. I know exactly. I know exactly what you meant. You're just chilling. I mean, it's Thursday today, guys. Yeah. Thursday. Okay. Then it's... Where did this week actually go? Like, I say that, but you guys are gonna get random information that no one asked for. On Tuesday, it felt like Wednesday, so Tuesday took forever. Forever. Yesterday, I don't even know what yesterday felt like. And here we are today, and I keep thinking that today is Wednesday. I don't know, apparently my brain's a little bit stuck on Wednesday for some reason. Yesterday, if you had held all the way till now, you'd be in... What, am I long? Stop loss is mandatory. Thank you, Ralph. Okay, anyways. What's up, Mac Bombs? How are we doing? Hey, thanks, Mac Bombs. Yeah, listen. That was very, very close. That, you know, I actually measured. It was 0.25 of a tick away from hitting my stop loss. Oh my gosh, that was insane. But welcome, Mac Bombs. How you doing? Yeah, this week was a blur. I agree with you. A combination of black nails and red dress. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm really actually bad at being like a girly girl, but I was a little bit bored yesterday. I don't know what to do with myself now that the horses aren't here, so yeah, I painted my nails black. And that one's already chipped. Anyways, fine. Doing all nice, Mac Bombs. So tell me a little bit about yourself. Where you from? Well, I mean, you don't have to tell me that if you don't want to. But what do you trade? What strategy do you use? How long have you been trading for? You know, are you profitable yet? Come on, sorry. In case you were wondering, this is very much like a community thing. We all sit here and we chat to each other and make jokes because, you know, sometimes the markets just don't give you the setup that you want, and you need like trading friends to chat with, and this is basically what this community is. Oh, I have a bad feeling that this is going to want to go up one more time before going down. But okay. Let me ask you a reversal New York session. Maybe we might retest Thursday low. We'll see. When the pop on MNQ earlier today. Nice. But here a girl. Push, boom. Anyways, it took me a long time to set stop loss on my positions. I always believed that it would be hunted. I mean, Trade Addict, if you're really scared of that, you could always... No, but even then, sometimes it just pops off. Oh, damn. Look at this working out. This would have been my entry. I'm getting distracted. I've been trading for almost 10 years. Nice. I go a long way now. Blue line. Just getting into futures. Been an options guy for a long time. Okay, what made you decide to swap over to futures? Right? What was the okay. Ooh, that was it. Just about to say, that was a nasty little doji that it just formed on ES. But this still looks like it wants to go down. What's up, Ahmed? Ahmad? How you doing? Sorry. Before it goes down, be on your toes. Not literally. Probably would have gone break even for that trade. Sorry, it's gonna frustrate me because I did want to take it, but let's get confirmation before jumping into things, right? Have you ever tried our local brokers? No, I don't even think I know any of the names of them. Like which ones, Neil? $472. You think it's going all the way down to $472? You trading MNQ to MES so that I can get you levels to watch. MNQ, Rolf. How long have I been trading? Just over a year now. Yeah. Literally just over a year. And I trade support and resistance of the London session during the open. Nice. Brokers, I'm Vault markets, XM markets, FX brokers. Well, I think the fact that I haven't even heard of them answers that question, hey. Okay, so that one would have been a win. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Let's do this thing, let's move on to the next and go for it. Because I got distracted, Louis. It's fine. Oh, thank you, Sam. I appreciate that. Boom, you're saying please? Please what? Oh, so it's going down so you can sleep. Probably we touch Bob level them up. Even this one is still low-key a little bit more valid, but... I was just looking on the 5 minute. Yeehaw! That's how it's looking at the freaking 5 minute. Good grief. Going down. Oh, it did just tap into here, so it could have a little bit of a retest there. Hasn't quite hit. It's about to. I was gonna say it hasn't quite hit VWAP on ES yet. It is about to though. Once it does that, I'm curious to see what happens. No. Time out there. I mean, I've never claimed to be profitable yet. I'm not profitable yet. Just saying. I'm still in my TP at the top and the bottom. Oh, nice. Okay. One of them bad. Oh, for crying out loud. Thank you. Oh my goodness.